3 points on how to use your gas appliances safely. Firstly, ventilation. Secondly, connectors. And thirdly, alarms. Firstly, please ensure adequate ventilation when using gas appliances. Ensure adequate ventilation when using gas appliances indoors. You can do this by turning on a ventilation fan or opening a window. While using a gas fan heater or gas stove, open a window for at least a minute, 1 or 2 times per hour, to let fresh air into the room. Gas requires fresh air to burn properly. A lack of fresh air will result in incomplete combustion and produce carbon monoxide, which is harmful to humans. Inhaling even a small amount of CO can cause serious harm. Incomplete combustion becomes more likely as gas appliances age. Please replace your appliance with one that has a safety feature. Don't forget, always ventilate the room when using gas appliances. Secondly, use the correct connectors for your gas appliances. Your gas appliances connect to the gas mains via a soft cord or gas cord. You can determine which connection method you need by examining your gas appliance. Look at the shape of the gas inlet. The one with a rounded shape and a red line at the base is a hose end type. The one with a flat and angular tip is called a consent type. These are the 2 types of gas inlets. There are 2 types of connectors. Check the shape and the size of your appliance's gas inlet and use the correct connector for that type. If the appliance isn't connected correctly, it may result in a gas leak. Even the correct connector may be dangerous if it is old and cracked. If the hose has discolored due to heat, it may leak gas. Examine the hose regularly. Thirdly, gas alarms. You should install a gas alarm to prevent future problems. Alarms don't just warn you of fires, but also of gas leaks and the presence of carbon monoxide. Alarms protect you all year round. If there is an abnormality, the alarm will alert you to it. In the alarm's instruction manual, or on a sticker on the alarm itself, there will be the alarm's expiration date. The alarm's functions will begin to deteriorate once the expiration date has passed, so it is necessary to replace it before that. Ventilation, connectors, and alarms. Please remember these 3 points. You now know how to use gas appliances safely. Let's get started right away.